Okay, using the scroll saw. Thin wood and not straight lines, ideally curved lines in thin wood. There usually is another way to cut straight lines. However, in this case, a common problem is that we need to cut a U-shaped slot out of a piece of wood. So first of all, we've got to mark it out. We use a square to mark lines at 90 degrees to the edge, or square to the edge, like that, and however wide you want the slot. And then we would use a gauge to mark a line parallel to the edge to give us the base of the slot, something like that. There are other videos on the use of those tools. Right, so that's what we're going to be cutting out. Now what we're going to do is, over to the scroll saw. First of all, we need to understand how we're going to do that. The blade is quite thin, but it won't go around 90-degree corners. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut down here, and then this one, and then we're going to cut down and make a wide sweep round and go along the bottom of the slot there. That means this piece will come out, and then we're going to turn it round and cut along this way. Right, before we use this, we need to realise that we've got to have safety glasses on. Here it's tied back and no loose clothing, exactly the same as a drilling machine. Now this little foot needs to come down and be just clear of the top surface of your piece of wood. Tighten it back up again, and there you are. The safety guard on this machine has been removed, so you can actually see what's going on in the video. Right, turn the machine on, making sure that the wood is not touching the blade. And on this machine, the switch is here. Other machines have got switches in different places. If there is a speed control on your machine, you'll need to turn that down. It's much easier to control. And on this machine, the speed control is there. So turn it down about halfway up the time. If in doubt, go slower rather than fast. Right, so we're going to cut along those lines, right into the corner, come out, other side, and then we're going to take that wide sweep round about here. Nice gradual curve, and then finish off by going along that bottom line. This piece will then come out, and then turn it round and go back the other way. Bit of sideways pressure to get it to start where you want it to. And there we are. Switch off.